Hi there, in this video I'll show you how to display font awesome icons in X, Cornerstone, and Pro. But before that, we first need to understand what font awesome offers. So font awesome includes solid icons, brands, regular and light versions of the solid icon. So we could see that better in the icons page of font awesome. So we could see here that the free icons, so it's the solid ones, and the pro only versions, which are the regular and light versions of the solid icon. So if we search play here and just display all, so the solid one is free and the regular and light versions are pro versions. So the brand icons are also free except for the D&D icon. So now that we know what Font Awesome offers, we head over to our builder. So I'm now in the Cornerstone page builder, and this is the same as in Pro. In Pro, it's the content builder, so let's add a section here, and maybe let's add a button here. So this button element has a graphic option here, so we enable that first, and then we could choose font awesome icon. So in here we have all the font awesome icons. As you can see, we have the solid, regular, light, and brands, and in here you can display all. So maybe let's search for that play icon. So here's the solid, the free one, we have the regular and the light. So maybe we'll use the regular version here. Let's just save this first. So that's how you add an icon to an element if it has a graphic option. So now let's say you want to insert an icon inside a block of text. So let's just add in a text element. Let's just increase the margin to space out the button. So in order to display an icon here, we need to use the icon shortcode, and we'll grab that from the stack demo. So I'm here in Integrity 1 demo. We go to shortcodes and icons. So we'll grab this shortcode, icon shortcode, and head back to our builder. Let's just reduce the text here and input the shortcode. So let's just increase the font size to make this clearer. And now let's change the icon. So double click on the type value and then insert the name of the icon. We have here the play. Let's go back to Font Awesome website. So let's search for play. So we can see here that we have the solid free version and we have the pro, light, and regular. So in order to display these regular and light versions, we need to prepend O dash for regular and L for light version. To display the brands, search for brands. You don't need to or you don't have a regular and light version for brands. Search here. So Does it have a light version, or does it have a regular version? So no. So for brands, you just input its name here. So that's how you add an icon inside your text.